lecture, we are going to go ahead and talk about agricultural famine. Now, all of you know what famine is, right? So, famine is excess shortage of the food. And when you have excess shortage of the food, beta, we will go ahead and see different reasons behind excess shortage. So let's start with that now. So the first thing that we have to try and understand in this case is that this is very important data that India suffered from 12 famine and 4 severe scarcities during the rule of East Indian Company. Now, you know, one reason that is given for देखो बेटा ध्यान से समझो खाना कब नहीं होगा when will there be a shortage of food? One of the major reasons is when there is no production of the food. When will there be no production of the food? Food depends on one important thing we require is rainfall, on water. If there is drought and I don't have an irrigated land and I cannot do irrigation, I don't have any technology to do irrigation, in that case, I will end up having shortage of food. So in a lot of cases, droughts, सूखा पड़ना is a reason why there will be bhukmangi. खाना नहीं होगा, right? There will be no food, right? This is what we call. So we have to understand, and then this is related to poverty, right? People will be poor because they don't have food, they don't have anything to work on because their land is not irrigated, because there is shortage of water on the land. So this is all interconnected with each other. So now we want to talk about different kind of famines that came in India. And every time there is a famine, because people don't have food, there are a lot of chances they don't have immunity, they will have a lot of diseases and high mortality rate also, high death rate also. So अब हम बात कर रहे हैं Great Famine of Bengal that came in 1969-70, and it is believed that it caused 1/3 of the population of Bengal to die. 1/3 of the population died. बहुत बड़ी बात है. Now there have been severe famines that have been witnessed in North India in 1784 and in Madras in 1792. कुछ रिलीफ वर्क ब्रिटिशर्स ने किया था, बट वो रिलीफ वर्क बहुत ही कम था, और बहुत बारी ऐसा होता था कि जिस टाइम तक रिलीफ वर्क इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता था उतना लेट हो जाता था that ultimately people would have just died, right? So some relief work was undertaken during the famine of 1803 in northwestern province and Awadh. Then there is another famine which we're talking about. तो मैंने आपको बोला ना total 12 famines हैं. So these are different famines, right? So in Guntur famine of 1833, 2 lakh people died out of total population of 5 lakh. 5 lakh लोगों में से there were 2 lakh people who died.